Vehicles hit Hawaiian Electric utility poles practically every week of every year. These accidents are dangerous, troublesome, and costly, often resulting in power outages, traffic, and disruption for the surrounding communities. Once alerted to the accident, we'll dispatch a troubleman who will ensure the area is safe for first responders before assessing the damage. Crews will then arrive to make repairs, which could require lane closures or contraflows. In the meantime, customers in the area will likely experience a power outage. The outage could also impact traffic signals, causing additional traffic delays and requiring police officers to assist at intersections. Some customers may be restored quickly after crews switch them to another circuit or complete temporary repairs. Others may experience a longer outage until crews complete the work. While we estimate 8 hours to replace a pole, the location and extent of the damage could shorten or increase the duration of the outage. Once Hawaiian Electric crews complete their work, telecom and cable companies may then start any necessary repairs to their equipment. Repairs could add up to thousands of dollars. Our claims department works to ensure those costs aren't paid for by our customers. Using any and all information available, including internal reports, police reports, news reports, witness statements, or videos, our claim teams will follow up with the driver and/or insurance company to collect reimbursement for the repairs. Any customer claims we receive for an outage caused by the crash will also be directed to the driver and their insurance company, since they are responsible for the accident. The danger from vehicle accidents is amplified when energized power lines are added to the mix. Make sure to review our guidance on down power lines for important safety information. If you see someone injured by a down power line, call 911 for help and stay at least 30 feet away to avoid injury to yourself. If you see down power lines, report it immediately to our trouble lines.